OMG, what? Follow E. OMG, hoop. Follow E. OMG, yeah, follow E. Who that be? Hell, that be me. Follow E. What's up? OMG, follow E. Gang, gang, gig, gang. What's going on out there in YouTube world today, baby? Well, today, y'all, we are trying a new seafood place, okay? And their name is Carter's. So let's get started because I don't want my food to get cold. Thank the Lord for this food that I'm about to receive. Let it be nourishing to my body and strengthen my health. In Jesus' name, amen. Put some respect on it, okay? I would like to thank all the mothers, the fathers, grandparents, aunties, uncles, anybody that's taking care of kids, providing for kids, giving them things that they need, not always what they want. I would like to tell you I appreciate you and I adore you and I thank you so much for all that you do. Okay, y'all, this is a food review. I really don't have anything to talk about today. I really don't, but we're gonna see how this is and how it turned out, and will we be going back or not? Okay. Oh well, the presentation is beautiful. Okay, there we go. There we go. So we have the Carter special, which they give you 2 crab legs, 2 cold clusters, a sausage, well, I didn't want the potato, so I got corn and an egg. So, baby, the egg is not peeled. Okay. Well, I guess I'm going to have to peel my own egg, but hey, maybe I'm asking for too much. I don't know. I never, you know, went to a seafood restaurant and the egg, I had to peel it myself. But, hey. All right. So, all right. And we have some shrimp. So, it looks about 8 shrimp maybe. And some butter here. So, let's just get started. I have water to drink. They just have like some Cajun seasoning on here. They don't have like a signature sauce, evidently. I can get more from J&C Seafood for the amount. No, I'm paying right. I paid for this. I can't say that. I can get more from Kicking It Up Crab. Let's see what this is about. I don't have anything bad to say about the crab legs. I don't want to accidentally eat no part of the shell. The Cajun season, it's a little spicy, but that doesn't help because I had vinegar and salt potato chips. That's good. Yeah. Crab legs good. I don't have anything to talk about. But this is good. It's actually really good. I still admit, you get a little more. I get more from J&C Seafood, and I would get more from Kicking Up Crab. They don't have a signature sauce. They just sprinkle a little seasoning. But it's not bad. If I didn't want to drive far, I would go and pick this out. They didn't have crawfish. She said it was out of season, but I can still get it from other places. At least the meat coming right on there. Y'all excuse me. That spice got my ears stopped up over here. Messing with my sinuses. Mm. Mm-mm. Ooh, that season went down the wrong way. Woo! Get a little piece of sausage. How did I get another fly in here today? I don't like that one. Mm. Mm. Okay. Mm. That was good. Meat. Woo. What is going on? I know when I get to eat spicy food, it messes with my sinuses, but okay. That was good. That piece was so sweet. Y'all excuse me. Put that over there. Oh, that feels so much better. I'm not cutting none of that out. That is so good. Woo! Oh, I wish that would have came right on out. Like the other ones did. Whew. I took my lunch to do this video, y'all. So, I gotta get back on the clock. I would like y'all to like, subscribe, hit that bell button, comment down below. And if y'all want to see me do something, let me know. Put it in the comments. If I can do it, I can. If I can't, I apologize. So come back, follow OMG, what? Follow E. OMG, hoop, follow E. OMG, yeah, follow E. Who that be? Hell, that be me. Peace.